If you want to see how I got these cute fringe bangs in little to no time, then make sure you guys keep watching. And in the meantime, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Okay guys, so I'm just taking my hair down. I had a scarf on earlier and I'm just going to straighten this hair. The current hair that I have in my head is from Eunice Hair. This is an 18-inch transparent 13x6 lace wig, which I already have a video on this hair, so make sure you check that out. But in the meantime, I'm just going to part my hair. Now, the way that I'm showing you how to do this, I realized like later on after I recorded this video that I did the literally the hardest way possible to install these bangs. You can do it this way, but just be really cautious that the hair might get in the way of the bangs. You'll see what I'm talking about once I get to the actual bang part, but this is just one way to do it, but it's actually not the easiest way. But yeah, I'm just going to part my hair in the middle so I can have that part so you can kind of see the scalp once it's time to install the bangs. I'm just taking my hot comb and pressing that down because it's super poofy, because it's normally worn in a side part. I haven't worn this wig in the middle part yet, and I don't plan to because it's not super duper long. It's only an 18-inch, so I think it's just cuter in the side part, but that's besides the point. So anyway, I was having trouble clearly, as you can see, of all my utensils I was using for my hair. But basically I'm just going to flat iron the hair as much as I can and get it ready to install the bangs. So I want to thank Kalai Hair for reaching out to me to review these clip-on bangs. They sent me these bangs. It's not a specific length of the bangs, but I will tell you guys that it is human hair. It came very quickly and it was about $15. I love these bangs because they aren't super thick. They're very thin, just like I like them. I rarely ever wear bangs in like the fringe style because sometimes they're too thick, but these were literally the perfect density and not too much and not too little. As you saw, it does have a clip and you basically clip it going back instead of the normal way, like with the clip being down. As you can see, it is human hair. I'm able to curl it and straighten it. And yeah, it was actually a really easy install. I really like these bangs. I can't wait to do like a bun with them, and as you can see, it looks really natural, as if like the wig kind of just came like this. So it's just a really good accessory to have to spice up your wigs and give yourself a different look. I want to thank Kalai Hair for sending it to me. Make sure you guys check it out. I have the link in the description box below. I want to thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.